How to update to iOS 18.03 beta. First of all, let's know what is 18.03 beta. A beta version of an iPhone is a pre-release version of the iOS software that's available to members of the Apple Beta software program. The program allows users to test the software and provide feedback to Apple. It can help Apple identify and fix issues in the software. So now, in order to do that, open Settings app on a mobile device, then tap on the General, then tap on the Software Update option available inside the General. Once you tap on the Software Update, you can see the latest update available, but you can tap on the Beta Update and you can simply tap on the latest Beta Update option available there. Mine is turned off, but if you want to update it, then simply tap on it and it will update it to the 18.03 beta. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.